Whoa, look at this beauty. She's seen better days, but there's potential here.
Man, the rust is worse than I thought. Those tires are shot and the mirror's gone.
But we can save her.
Easy. Watch those tires, keep her steady.
She's heavy, but we got this.
Look at that. Finally some shine. She's starting to come back to life. All right, patch is solid, curves are smooth. She's starting to breathe again. Look at that shine. Rosso wine. She's finally coming back to life. Here we go. First start. Listen to that purr. She's alive. Here we go. First start. Listen to that purr. She's alive. From rust to this, she's finally home. Ooh. Look at that shine.